See, now if the university is telling that this 400 acres belongs to them, which area of land belongs to the university? Now my simple question is, does this land where you and I are standing, does it belong to the university or to the government? The hostels that we are staying in, does it belong to the university or to the government? Simple question. If that land belongs to them, why is there a East Campus that is constructed there? We were going in our own campus. Why lift us all of a sudden? The comments that are made by Revant Reddy telling that there is no biodiversity on campus is shameful. Our alumni, Bhatti Vikramarkaji and Sridhar Babuji, they have to realize it. At least they know what this campus has, the beauty of this campus is. We are not against development, but we are telling there has to be sustainable development. When this surroundings is filled with concrete, now when Hyderabad Central University is acting as a carbon sink, when Hyderabad Central University is called as the lungs of Hyderabad, why do you want to destroy this place? The many land in and around Gachibowli where they can go and construct use it for developmental purpose. Why this? Dusra point. Now, why the illegal detention of our Karyakartas? One of our Karyakartas, Rohit Bond, has been illegally detained. He was beaten. Now also he is in jail. Our female Karyakartas are manhandled. Now, Revant Reddy proclaims him to be a former Karyakarta of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. Dear Revant Reddy, we will remind you of your good old memories of a ABVP Karyakarta. By all these cheap tactics, if you think that you can intimidate Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad is not going to be intimidated by your cheap tactics. This will only strengthen our movement, and we will fight until we save that land.
Oh yeah, as you have said, that's true. Telangana government is not at all interfering. They are interfering in one thing, attacking the student community of University of Hyderabad. You will be sad to see that students walking over the roads of the University of Hyderabad were brutally attacked, and many of our students were detained, and 2 of our students were they got remanded in the custody. They are in the Sangadadi jail right now. So this is the pathetic condition students of university are facing. Even students have denied the freedom of speech and expression in this campus. Telangana police have camped near the East Campus and they have taken a list and they are checking the students' name and sending them to the concerned department. This is the situation of the University of Hyderabad right now. Yes, they have the whole right to say that we are not taking the Mushroom Rock, we are not touching the Peacock Lake. But see, it's not about the lake and about the mountains. It's about the flora, fauna and the biodiversity, the whole ecosystem. Even one tree is being cut down, the ecosystem will get disturbed, and our fight is against that. So ABVP and the whole student community is here with us to stand against the Revant Reddy. He might be surprised to see, if you ask any student of this campus, all have raised the voice against the Revant Reddy. So our fight is on to reclaim the University of Hyderabad land.